Here's how to make ciabatta with Odlums. So firstly, we're going to start by making the biga, which is basically the pre-ferment. So you'll need to do this the night before. So into a jug, we've got 130 ml of just lukewarm water, and we're going to add 165 grams of the Odlums strong flour to it. And to that, we're going to add half a teaspoon of yeast, and just give that then a really good mix into the jug. So we're just going to cling film that, and then leave it at room temperature overnight. So the day of baking, we're going to add in then the pre-ferment here along with our other ingredients and then bake. But firstly, we go in then with the pre-ferment in there. So we go in all of that. Next, we have 250 grams of the Odlums strong flour in. Next, we have 35 ml of warm milk in. We have a tablespoon of olive oil, a good pinch of salt in, a teaspoon of yeast, finally 160 ml of water. So we're just going to switch that on and let that knead away for 10 minutes. This is quite a wet mixture, so please don't panic and add more flour to it. Now, so we're just going to wrap that in cling film, and we're going to leave that to prove for an hour. So an hour later, we're just going to knock back the dough. Shape this into a ball firstly, and then just cut it in half. Roll this into a nice rectangular shape. Fold like a bucket. Press it down. Cover them and let them prove then for another 30 minutes. So these go into the oven and they bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And there we have it, delicious ciabatta with Odlums.